Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Arctic Blue Shock. What is BioGuard Arctic Blue Shock? BioGuard Arctic Blue Shock is the perfect first step in winterizing your pool, killing off bacteria, algae, and other contaminants that can wreak havoc on your pool during the long winter months. Its powerful granular formula can be quickly broadcast into your pool without needing dilution, saving you from handling messy liquids. When used in conjunction with an effective algaecide, your pool will stay clean and healthy throughout its winter slumber, making spring openings much faster and hassle-free. Product benefits. Multi-purpose winter shock is used to oxidize and clarify through the off-season. Restores water clarity. Use of products makes pool opening easier. Ideal for all pool surfaces. Dosage. 1 pound per 6,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.